What is this?
This is a traffic light.
Yes.
And this is the power of this traffic light from this power
Yes.
fan. This traffic
Traditional Nomano.
What?
Boro traditional house, Nomano.
Boros.
Yes.
Boros traditional house na? Yes.
We have three rooms in here. The kitchen is here, above the dining room.
And you can see this is stop air pollution. They will explain about this picture.
As we all know, air pollution is a big threat of growing world. So, and it is growing day by day.
For the first time we are coming to the attend Christ King School science exhibition program. Let's see. I want to show you. Exploria edition.
So this will create and conserve electricity.
What is this?
This is a wind turbine. Wind turbine, which the kinetic energy of wind is used to electrical energy, and it is used to light up many things. It is useful in our daily life.
Yeah.
So on the fan, when it on
like that,
so the
yes.
power of this fan, the light gives.
Yes. Yes.
Very good morning to all. Our solar system is our stellar family, made of the sun and all the planets that move around it. There are 8 planets: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is lighthouse.
What is this?
This is a traffic light.
Yes.
And this is the power of this traffic light from this power
Yes.
fan. This
मेरे
traffic
घर
light
में
will
भी
be
ऐसे
on.
समय पर म्यूजिक की दुनिया में कदम रखा जब आसाम में एक अलग देश की मांग करने वाला संगठन
Light and electricity.
चारों तरफ हिंसा का माहौल और इसी माहौल में 1992 में प्रोड्यूस पहली एल्बम प्यार निराशा और होप
And you can see this is stop air pollution. They will explain about this picture.
As we all know, air pollution is a big threat of growing world. So, and it is growing day by day. We have made a model from which we can reduce the air pollution. Suppose from here, the dirty or the harmful air will go from this side. Then from this side, it will be driven itself. It's the dirty air will be taken from this side. After that, under this one, we have an air purifier from which we can see that all the harmful dirty air from this side is a clean air. So as a result, we can see our environment is really fine and all, and we can improve this facility in our real life to reduce the air pollution. So this is our air pollution control model. From here we can keep the pollution or the smoke air, and inside this there is a filter that will clean the air, and the clean air will come out from this. We can use in our real life to make our pollution less. Okay, so basically it's our steel model DNA double helix. DNA is called deoxyribonucleic acid, and the two standards that are twisted is called double helix. So these two long standards are made of nucleotides. Nucleotide has 3 parts: deoxyribose, phosphorus, group, and nitrogen bases. And nitrogen bases is 4: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. It is written here. And these 2 long standards are made of black is deoxyribose and white is sugar phosphate. So, and its functions are it carries genetic information from our parents to us. It helps the traits to continue to the next generation. Thank you.
What is this?
Missing jungle.
Huh?
Missing jungle.
Can you explain in English? What is this?
Sandian tree.
What is this?
Sandian tree.
Huh?
Sandian tree.
Oh, Sanjan tree. Okay. What is this?
This air purifier.
Air purifier.
And it's smoke purifier.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay.
Coming this one.
And what is this? Who will explain? What is this?
This is the Boro traditional Nomano. We have
What?
3 rooms in here. Boro traditional house, Nomano.
Boros.
Yes.
Boros traditional house na? Yes.
We have 3 rooms in here. The kitchen is here, Okong the dining room,
Yes.
and there is the Kobra bedroom.
Very nice.
And it's the Boral for country.
Boral. This one is Boral.
Yes.
And this one is whom?
Boro house.
And this one is Murong Hukum. Who will explain?
This Moranghukum is an important part of our Muslim culture. This is
Yes,
the
yes,
place
yes.
where our elders stay and communicate with each other, and they discuss what's going to happen in our surroundings. They also celebrate Alerigang here,
Yes.
which is our main festival for our Muslims. So let's discuss what's inside it. This is the maram.
Yes.
Maram is basically made of either bamboo or with 2 woods where we keep soil inside and we cook the food, and this is known as tasuk,
Tasuk, yes. This one is.
where traditional Muslim Apang in English we call it as rice beer is made.
Keeper.
This is the keeper.
This is called Kipar, yeah.
And this is the igi where rice is being, this grains are being into rice.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So আপোনালোকক দেখালোঁ খুব সুন্দৰ এটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম, মানে এইটো কাৰণে হয়তো গোগামুখ ক্ৰাইষ্ট কিং স্কুলখন হয়তো গোগামুখৰ ভিতৰত নাম্বাৰ 1 স্থান হয়তো লাভ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে। বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাকক বিজনেছেই হওক বা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ এয়াৰ পলিউশ্যনেই হওক বা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ছায়েন্স এক্সপিৰিয়েশ্যন বা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ এক্সপেৰিমেণ্টছবিলাক কৰিব দিছে। ত' খুব সুন্দৰ। বেলেগ বেলেগ স্কুলবিলাকতো হয়তো কৰিব লাগে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰগ্ৰাম, বিজনেছেই হওক